giving my M3 a carbon clean, do everyone else's car, so I thought I'd do this. Been sitting for 4 years, this car. Literally 4 years. Haven't started, haven't done anything to it. The fuel pump went on it years ago, and I parked it up and stored it away. And the other day I put a new pump on it, put a battery on it, and it started straight away. SMG box works fine, which I love them. So I thought I'd give it a carbon clean. It's got 104,000 on the clock. Like I said, an SMG one. A lot of people say they don't like that, but I love it. You know how to drive them. They're I think they're much faster shift than a manual car, but each to their own. So yeah, I'll give it this 60 minutes clean on there. It's nearly coming to an end. It sounds so much quieter at the front end, but at the back end, the motor, it sounds deeper now. So it's obviously breathing well. You can see that gas is coming out of there. So yeah, once this is done, I can't wait to try it. Yeah, it should drive completely different. I know this car well, so not really, putting a comment out on my own car, but I'll certainly put something up about how I think it felt. So cool.